Now, I will show you how to make Favicon for free. So first of all, search for Vpic editor on Google. Open this website. Now click on Use blank canvas. Now we need to choose Favicon size. And our theme suggested image dimensions is 512 by 512 pixels. So simply type here 512 by 512. And then click on Confirm. Now, this is our Favicon background color. Simply click here to change the color. Now, select the color from the color palette or type hex color code. Set 0 opacity to make the background transparent. Now, click here to add text in our Favicon. Now choose text format and edit as you like. Now click on Elements to add shape and icon on our Favicon. Click on Photos to add and upload images on our Favicon. Click on 3 dots to edit the element. We can change icon size, color, rotation, opacity, position. Click on the Download tab. Now click on PNG to get a higher quality Favicon.